All right, what's going on, fishy friends? So I was out on a captain's boat on the bay recently, and he turned on his stereo, and my jealousy started going crazy. I mean, he was blasting, and I wasn't able to reproduce that. But I wanted to, on this little boat, on my Boston Whaler, I wanted to put some sound on it. But as you may or may not know, these Boston Whalers are unsinkable, but to keep them unsinkable, you really can't put holes anywhere, or you want to minimize the holes that you put on the deck to prevent water intrusion. There is no drain hole in the hull. So any water that gets in there, it's going to have a hard time getting out. So you want to minimize the holes that you put in the boat. So I didn't want to install speakers in the hull. I didn't want to put any holes to hold speakers down or anything like that. So I came up with a solution. Now there is some drilling involved, but not in the deck or the hull. So let's check it out. All right, so let's go through the parts for this build. First, you have some stainless carabiners, followed by some bungee cord netting. This stuff is used to hold down things on motorcycles. Then a pair of these Sony XG300. They were on sale for $200 at the time of this video. A 1.5-inch ball mount. A RAM cell phone mount. And an optional through-hole seashell cover. So you start by drilling holes the appropriate width for the carabiners that you're attaching. All of these holes go into the seating. Now you want to attach the carabiners on the four corners of the bungee cord netting. With the four holes drilled, you take the carabiners and attach them using the holes that you've drilled. You should now have two hanging bungee cord baskets that will allow you to either put speakers in them, or you can use them really for any form of storage on this boat that doesn't have a lot of storage in it. Now take the two Sony speakers and pair them using the Sony app and install them in the hanging bungee cord baskets. Then play your favorite tunes. In my case, I had to use a joke song that I recorded, 15 years ago, because I didn't want to get a copyright strike on YouTube. So thin, is why I wanna be with you. So I took you in, tried to walk some other way. Being careful not to wash away the DNA. When we made love like Swiss or corn, I put your fecal butter in your oh so warm.